Hello everyone. My name is August Comte and I am father of sociology. And today I came here to teach you all sociology like a pro. So, sociology is derived from two words, socius and logos. Socius means society and logos means to study. So, it becomes study of the society. The basic definition of sociology is the scientific study of society, social relationships, human behavior, and the institutions in the society. And definitions by scholar by Auguste Comte, जो कि मैं ही हूँ. Sociology is the science of society. Simple. Durkheim said study of social facts and Max Weber said study of social actions. So scope बहुत ज़्यादा है, like engineering. So the scope refers to the areas which are covered by sociology. So there are two main views in schools, formalistic schools and synthetic schools. So formalistic school was led by George Simmel. So sociology studies only forms of relationships, like competition, cooperation, conflict, any kind of relationship it may be. So this view is of formalistic school, whereas in synthetic school it is supported by Emile Durkheim, which says that sociology studies society as a whole, not just the forms of relationship. A broad approach, like apart from relationship, it also studies other factors which influence the society. Major areas like social institution, family, religion, education, state, primary groups, and social relationships, social processes like cooperation, conflict, competition, assimilation, cultural and norms, different culture and norms present in society. It is also one of the scope. What social changes are happening, what new developments are coming in the society. Population studies and of course the rural and urban society to get a wider scope. Nature of the sociology or key characteristics. Sociology is scientific in nature because we say social science, so it's a science only. Uses observation method, analysis, evidences, which is backed by some facts. So scientific in nature. And second one is, as I said, social sciences studies human society, not just physical objects. It is abstract in nature, it's not a concrete science, it's abstract in nature. It deals with relationship, right? It's generalized, studies the general pattern of the society, not very specific cases only. It's dynamic in nature. Society and social relationships keeps on changing, they keep on emerging. So sociology evolves at every point of time, right? Independent discipline has its own method and concepts. It's not dependent on any other science. And value neutral. Ideally studies fact, avoids personal biases and prejudice. Now, what is importance of studying sociology? Why we all are putting so much effort, so much energy in studying sociology? It's not just about competitive exams. We need to understand the society. That's why we are understanding sociology. So it helps understand the social structure and behavior, how people think, how people behave, how people cooperate, how different groups get into a conflict. We get a understanding about the society. Another important, solving social problems. Of course, if we want to solve the problems of the society, we need to understand it first. So social problems like poverty, unemployment, religious conflicts, crime, inequality. Promote social harmony, encourages tolerance, unity, and diversity. helps in policy making. If we know our people, we will uh, be in a better position to formulate policies for them, and improves critical thinking also. As a bureaucrat, it's very important. Career opportunities, social work, teaching, civil services, research, NGOs, and all. And understanding the social change like helps analyze modernization, globalization, right? What social change over a decade has came in the society, and also that's all. See you in the next lecture. Signing off, Amal Jurkaim. Sorry, August Comte.